Friends, welcome in our own teacher channel. Class 9th, Subject Science, Lesson number 2, Work and Energy. In this video, you will get question answers with all definitions. Question 1. Define work. Work done by a force acting on a body if the product of magnitude of the force and the displacement of the body in the direction of the force. Question 2. Define the joule. The amount of work done when a force of 1 Newton acting on an object displaces it through a distance of 1 meter along its own direction is called 1 joule. Question 3. Define the erg. The amount of work done when a force of 1 dyne acting on an object displaces it through a distance of 1 centimeter along its own direction is called 1 erg. Question 4. Define energy. The capacity of a body to perform work is called its energy. Question 5. Define kinetic energy. The energy which an object has because of its motion is called its kinetic energy. Question 6. Give 2 examples of kinetic energy. 1. A body falling under gravity has kinetic energy. 2. A bullet fired from a gun has kinetic energy. Question 7. What do you understand by the kinetic energy of a body? The energy possessed by a body on account of its motion is called its kinetic energy. Question 8. Define potential energy. The energy stored in an object because of its specific state or position is called its potential energy. Question 9. Give 2 examples of potential energy. 1. Water stored in a dam possesses potential energy. 2. A stretch spring possesses potential energy. Question 10. What do you understand by the potential energy of a body? The energy possessed by a body on account of its specific state or position is called its potential energy. Question 11. What is solar energy? The energy radiated by the sun is called solar energy. It is in the form of heat, light, radio waves, and other radiations. Question 12. State 2 uses of solar energy. 1. Solar energy can be converted into electrical energy. 2. Plants use solar energy for photosynthesis. Question 13. What is chemical energy? The energy liberated as a result of chemical reactions is called chemical energy. Question 14. What is nuclear energy? The energy released when heavy unstable atomic nuclei break up, as well as the energy released when light elements combine to form a heavier element, is called nuclear energy. Question 15. State one use of nuclear energy. Nuclear energy can be converted into electrical energy. Question 16. State the law of conservation of energy. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can be converted from one form into another. Thus, the total amount of energy in the universe always remain constant. Question 17. Name the various forms of energy. The various forms of energy are mechanical energy, heat, light, sound, electrical energy, chemical energy, nuclear energy, solar energy. Question 18. What is current electricity? A flow of charged particles, such as the flow of electrons through a conductor, constitutes current electricity. Electric current is the rate of flow of charge with time. Question 19. How is heat energy needed to cook food obtained? Heat energy needed to cook food is obtained by burning wood or biogas or LPG or using electricity or solar energy. Question 20. Define power. Power is the rate at which work is done. Question 21. Define the watt. If a device or an appliance does work at the rate of 1 joule per second, the power of the device is said to be 1 watt. Question 22. What is kilowatt hour? The kilowatt hour is a unit of energy. Question 23. What is the power of an engine? The power of an engine working at the rate of 1000 joule per second is 1000 watts. Question 24. State the SI and CGS units of energy. The SI unit of energy is the joule and CGS unit is the erg. Question 25. Why do energy and work have the same units? Energy is measured in terms of the work done. Hence, energy and work have the same units. Question 26. What are the two forms of mechanical energy? The two forms of mechanical energy are kinetic energy and potential energy. Question 27. What happens to the chemical energy stored in a firecracker when it explodes? When a firecracker explodes, the chemical energy stored in it is converted into heat, light, sound, and kinetic energy of the fragments form. Question 28. In an assembly hall, microphones and loudspeakers are used. What is the energy transformation taking place? In a microphone, sound energy is converted into electrical energy. In a loudspeaker, electrical energy is converted into sound energy. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Until then, bye.